Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the BLU BOLD N2. So this is a new phone by BLU. So if you guys want to check this phone out, a link will be down below to check this phone out. So this might be a long video, so I will try to put chapters to different parts of the video so you guys can check out different parts of the phone. So let's go ahead and check out the BOLD N2 here by BLU. So there's the phone right there, front and back. Very nice looking phone, you guys could see. I like the camera set up there on the back. Very nice camera set up there on the back. Dual front facing cameras down the front. It got the Galaxy S10 plus vibes on that in terms of like camera, in terms of like front facing camera design and stuff like that. So pretty cool. Y'all guys can buy the phone now. I don't know how much this phone is. I have no idea. But if you guys want to buy the phone, click the link below. Alright. Here's a video. I'm not going to play it. So if you guys want to check this video out, y'all guys can click on it. Man, that's a nice camera setup there. So it has an AMOLED screen there. Pretty nice. Elegant design, sophistication meets design. The BOLD N2 features an obtuse teal textured leather finish paired with a tastefully colored, tastefully soft blue aluminum metal housing and vivid AMOLED curved glass display that is both superb and appealing. The all-new BOLD N2 reflects quality aesthetics that are sure to be a head-turner, available in Cypress Teal. So, pretty cool there, very nice looking phone nonetheless. So yeah, curve perfection. The BOLD N2 features a stunning dynamic AMOLED curve display crafted specifically for high quality viewing. So pretty cool there. You guys have a 6.6 inch Full HD plus AMOLED display. Has Gorilla Glass 5 on there. Infinity dot curved display like the Galaxy S10 Plus. 1080 by 2340 pixel resolution. 393 ppi. Alright. So yeah. Of course, you guys do get 5G on this phone. That's pretty much standard now on all phones. Y'all have a MediaTek Dimensity 810 processor. Speed beyond imagination. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity 810. The BOLD N2 provides a lightning fast connectivity experience whenever and wherever you are. Maximize your gaming experience and enter the 5G realm, leaving your competitors in the dust. Alright. So, yeah. Work hard, play harder. Seamless transition and flawless response. The BOLD N2 is fully capable of heavy multitasking with zero issues with a generous 256GB internal memory paired with an astounding 8GB of RAM. Nothing gets in the way, so you guys get pretty good specs in terms of like RAM and all that. 256GB of storage, 8GB of RAM. Very nice there. Benchmark scores of this compares to different benchmark scores against different budget phones. This is a budget phone. The BOLD N2 is a budget phone, guys. Alright. So they're comparing it to the Galaxy A13 5G, the Kia G50, and Motorola One Ace 5G. Alright. So you guys can see that the BOLD N2 smokes these phones in terms of like benchmark scores, but it relies on real world usage, of course. So don't base it off the scores or nothing. Try to test these phones out and see for yourself. Alright. Pretty interesting there, to say the least. Talking about the camera now, pro level. The BOLD N2's quad AI 64 megapixels equipped with a Samsung GM1 sensor brings your footage to a whole new level. That's the camera setup down the back. A very nice camera setup in my opinion. Very unique camera setup. That's like what, 4 cameras in the back. So, and you do get a Samsung sensor in here, which is pretty cool. So you do get 4 cameras in the back. They'll tell you what lens is what, so you guys know which lens is what. So you guys have a 64 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel depth, 5 megapixel wide angle, and a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back in that order. I'll show you guys that here on the screen here, right? So right here is your main camera, which is 64 megapixels. Underneath of that is your depth sensor, which is 2 megapixels. Down here to the left is your 5 megapixel wide angle camera. To the right of that is your 2 megapixel macro camera in that order, right? And it tells you what lens is what, so you guys shouldn't be confused. Perfect selfies. Dual front facing cameras. I got a 16 megapixel plus a 2 megapixel depth front facing camera, which is pretty interesting. Soft and natural background blur with clear and well defined details. Super zoom. I don't know where that's taken. I don't know. I'm sure that's a real place. I'm sure. Where that place is, the place looks very nice. So pretty nice looking picture there. 128 megapixel pixel perfection algorithm, 1200 by 9000 resolution, 30 times zoom in, right? And the details, bold macro, alright. Pro mode and raw. Pro mode on the BOLD N2 offers parameter adjustment, making it easy to frame views in all different scenes, delivering a professional shooting experience. That's one weird ass frog. It's like a multicolored frog, which is pretty cool, but it's weird at the same time. It's like a yellow and blue frog. Pretty interesting. $115 wide angle there. Embrace the night. Time exposure over exposure suppression, and MFNR, which is multi-frame noise reduction. Alright, so you guys can compare the different modes there. AI mode upgraded to 12 modes. So you guys have 12 AI modes. You guys have food, beach, dog, cat, plant, blue sky, portrait, landscape, text, urban, sunset, night. Battery, up to 2 days of battery life. You guys get a 4200 mAh battery. So they claim 2 days of battery life on this one, but we'll see about that. Remember less and do more. Never search for a power outlet again. The BOLD N2 offers a long-lasting 4200 mAh battery that can last all day. 30-watt quick charging allows for a 50% charge in less than 20 minutes for a stress-free experience. So you guys get quick charge on here, 30-watt quick charge at that. This thing's supposed to charge really fast. You guys supposed to get 50% charge in about 20 minutes, but that's interesting now. So you guys are supposed to get like 2 days of battery life on it. That's what they claim. The battery size is decent. I mean, 4200 mAh battery is nothing to sneeze at, but it's decent. You know, it's not like a 5,000-6,000 mAh battery, nothing like that. You guys should get pretty good battery life on this round, nonetheless. unlock your world. Unlocking your phone has never been easier. With the BOLD N2, users can unlock with both Face ID and the in-display fingerprint sensor. So you guys have both options to unlock your phone: in-display fingerprint sensor or AI face recognition, which is pretty cool. It has Android 11, which is a bit outdated now. This is the new phone too. I don't know why it has Android 11, but it is what it is. Like I said, Android 11 is a bit outdated. Android 13 is coming out very soon. So, that's about to be 2 versions behind. But yeah, it says Android 11 is optimized for how you use your phone, giving you powerful device controls and easier ways to manage conversations, privacy settings, and so much more. You guys get Family Link, Smart Reply, Sound Amplifier, Dark Theme, Location Control, Privacy Control, Focus Mode, Gesture Navigation, Security Updates. It comes with Android 11, and I don't know how good BLU's track record is of updating their phone, so we'll see. This phone already got points taken off because of the OS. As Android 11. Like I said, it's about to be 2 OSs behind because Android 13 is on the way, and it'll be here very soon, guys. Publicly, anyway. I think Android 13 is still in beta right now. I think it's still in beta, so yeah. So that's the front there, front and back. Very nice looking phone. It has like Galaxy S10 Plus vibes in terms of like the front of the phone there. It has like Galaxy S10 vibes, because the Galaxy S10 Plus had dual front facing cameras, but the front facing cameras were on the right side of the phone, not on the left. So very nice looking phone. Right here are some more specs on the BOLD N2. Y'all guys can download the sales guide, which is pretty cool. Y'all guys get, so the technology is GSM quad band, so this can use at&t, T-Mobile networks like Metro, Cricket, Boost, Straight Talk. Any GSM carrier, this one will work fine with it. It should work for Boost. It should, because Boost now is on the now on the at&t network. It should work for Boost regardless. But you guys do get 5G on here. Data bands there for 5G. You do get LTE, of course. Display 6.6 inches, Full HD plus AMOLED. Corning Golden Glass 5, 1080 by 2340, 393 ppi. Processor MediaTek Dimensity 810, 6nm processor. ARM Cortex A76 octa-core 2.4 GHz processor, octa-core. Memory 256 GB of internal storage, 8 GB of RAM, and I don't think there is no micro SD card slot on this phone, so do keep it in mind. Cameras, you get a whole bunch of cameras. You guys get 4 cameras on the back. You guys get a 64 megapixel main camera, which is AI, 2 megapixel depth sensor, 5 megapixel wide angle lens, which is 115 degrees field of view, 2 megapixel macro camera lens. Front facing camera, there's 2 of them. There's dual front facing camera, 16 megapixel plus a 2 megapixel depth sensor selfie camera on the front. Security options, like I said, you guys get in-display fingerprint sensor and AI Face ID, so very cool. Your connectivity options for the BOLD N2 are Bluetooth 5.1, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, Wi-Fi 802.11 ABD, and AC hotspot Type-C charging. I think it's dual band Wi-Fi, which I'm pretty sure it is. It should be. Anyway, battery 4200 milliamps, 30 watt max quick charge, Android 11, which is kind of disappointing, but it is what it is, guys. And there's your dimensions there for the BOLD N2. So yeah. So if you guys are looking to get like a interesting phone, the BOLD N2 is worth checking out. It's available now. I will have the price down below. I'm sure it's not that. I'm sure that this one's not that expensive. I'm sure it's not, because they showed the comparisons between different budget phones. I'm sure that this is a budget phone. It does have like kind of like flagship specs in terms of like RAM and ROM, but other than that, this is not a flagship phone. It's not. This is a budget smartphone. It was comparing it to different, because they were showing the benchmark scores against different budget phones like the Galaxy A13, the Moto 5G8s and stuff like that. So I'm pretty sure that this is a budget smartphone. So if you guys are looking to get a budget smartphone from BLU, the BOLD N2 is worth taking a look at here. It looks very nice. The front-facing camera kind of reminds me of the Galaxy S10 Plus in terms of like camera design and all that. Very nice looking phone nonetheless. It does have 5G, which is very nice. The only thing I don't like about the phone, that it does have Android 11 on board, which is kind of old now. About to be two OSs behind, because Android 13 is on the way. So that's kind of disappointing. But if you guys don't really care about that, get the phone and check it out for yourselves, guys. So there you guys have it. The BOLD N2 is now here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It bless me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.